Yeah, that was my next question. How has been the impact of war? Because we had a lot of charters from Russia, we had a lot of charters from the neighboring countries also. So, what has been the quantum of that impact, if you could tell me?
If you actually see, Goa was only state in India which opened up for foreign tourists. Uh, Rest all flights were bubble flights. So Goa was only flights with through charters tourists could come into Goa, and it was a lot of push from Goa, and the central government understood the economy of Goa and they allowed tourists coming into Goa. Unfortunately, it just started month of December. So we started getting the tourists from CSI countries, and gradually Russians also started. Now, unfortunately, the frequency was supposed to be initially 1 week, one flight a week with 500 plus seat, and then gradually increased to maybe 3 or 4 flights a week. But unfortunately, war started, and that came to standstill. Secondly, UK. When the charters were supposed to start, the second wave came in or third wave came in, and that standstill because the requirement of the government was on certain countries was for quarantine, and if tourists coming in and if they have to wait for 14 days into quarantine, that holiday concept itself did not work. So they also pulled out after a lot of thought, and they tried quite a lot. But coming season, the UK market is looking, they are very excited to come into Goa. Of course, we have certain challenges which we have to resolve, especially on the e-visa front. But I think because of this war, definitely we got effect, and especially with this, if you see the beach activities, shacks, smaller hotels which depend on that, they were literally a big sufferer in because of this impact of the war.
Because of the war. Next question, connected to the war and the traffic. If you take the impact, how much it is on the starred hotels and how much it is on the lower end hotels?
As I told you, the star hotels have been doing extremely well because all domestic tourists, people who were supposed to go abroad or otherwise, lot of weddings has happened in Goa because of smaller weddings. Lot of MICE movements have come to Goa. So star hotels have done extremely well. It is the smaller hotels with maybe 10 rooms, 20 rooms, 25 rooms, which were in the budget category, which were catering specifically to this foreign budget tourists, has been affected quite big. And there was lot of, it's not that they could not have a facility for them, but they never thought about domestic market. So the change in mindset was required, and gradually we see after some time, they also started attracting domestic tourists. Now the challenge is they have to upgrade with looking into the facilities which today's tourist is looking out for. But I think it's evolving process. It will take a while, but I think as things are panning it out, way we are seeing the influx of tourists into Goa, I think everybody will have a good time.
On that